Hello everyone and welcome to Defense Shows. I am Kiran, dealing with vocabulary portion. It is applicable for all competitive examination. Here we will learn word, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, sentence formation, and after it a quiz. Okay, so here we move. These are the questions which I asked you yesterday. So let's see what all are the answer of it. The first one is abject. Options are indecent, desire, despondent, extreme. See friend, abject means completely without pride or dignity. Okay, it means completely without pride or dignity. So correct answer will be despondent. Why? Because despondent means loss of hopes and courage. It would be the somewhat similar to the abject. Okay. Next word is bespoke. Options are gentle, quiet, tailored, handsome. See, whenever bespoke word will come, it will be related to clothing. Okay. So see friends, gentle, quiet and handsome are not at all related to the clothing pattern, and tailored is related to the clothing pattern. So bespoke means a particular customer or a user especially used for clothing, right? So correct answer will be tailored, related to cloth, well cut, right? Next one is diffident. Diffident means shy or lack in confidence. Options are apathic, shy, arrogant and quarrelsome. Simple one. Option shy will be right one. Then next word is proffer. Options are mendicant, wastrel, predict and tender. So correct answer will be tender, right? Proffer here means an offer. Okay, it means offer. It means offer, right? So tender is also a type of offer. Then what is the meaning of mendicant? Here mendicant means begging. Okay. Then next word is mordant. Options are that. Okay. Then next options is gruesome. Third is fitted and caustic. See friends, the right answer will be caustic. See, what does it mean? Mordant is a substance that attaches dye to a material. Okay. Then all other options are somewhat different, but caustic means corrosive. Okay. And mordant is also related to the corrosiveness of the substance. And gruesome means extremely unpleasant. If something is extremely unpleasant, we will use the word gruesome. Okay. And fetid is also smelling extremely unpleasant. Okay, these two words will be used for the unpleasant. Okay, so now moving toward the 10 new words of today. The first is incursion. Incursion is a noun. Okay, it means attack on. So synonyms are assault on, raid on. See friend, assault on, raid on are similar to attack. Okay, so we can say that assault is in physical attack, right? Assault is in physical attack, and raid on means a rapid surprise attack to an enemy by the troops or aircraft or any other army forces is called raid on. I think it's clear. Okay, so what would be the opposite? It would be retreat. Why? Because it means withdrawal from enemy force. Okay, it is withdrawal, and synonyms would be assault on, attack on. Simply attack on is the synonyms of incursion and antonym is retreat. So let's form an example. Government forces were able to halt the rebel incursion. Okay, here incursion means attack. Okay, halt means a suspension of movement or activity, typically a temporary one. Okay, it means suspension of for movement or an activity, typically for a temporary time. I think it's clear. Now moving toward the next word, it is bleak. It's an adjective which means unpromising. So friends, what would be the opposite of unpromising? It would be promising, right? So synonyms are unfavorable and unpropitious. Okay, unpropitious, which means not likely to have or produce good result, which is not promising, which is not good, which is unpropitious. Okay, so now let's form an example. He paints a bleak pictures of company that has lots its way. Okay, bleak picture means unpromising picture. Okay, now moving toward the next word, it is slacken means slow. It's in verb, which means slow. Synonyms would be slow down, decelerate. So simple one, what would be the opposite? Acceleration, accelerate. Okay, so antonym would be speed up. Okay, synonyms is slow down, antonym would be speed up of slacken. Okay, of slacken. Now let's form an example. The pace of trade never slackened means the pace never slow down, right? So the next word is benevolent. It's an adjective which means kind, right? Which means kind. Synonyms would be kindly, kind-hearted, simple one. So what would be the opposite? Unkind. Okay, now let's form an example. He was something of benevolent despot. Okay, he was something of benevolent despot. See friends, despot means a ruler without absolute power. Okay, a ruler without an absolute power. I think it's clear. Now moving toward the next word, it's tacit. See friend, tacit is an adjective which means implicit. Okay, and whenever implicit word will come, which means it is implied but not direct. Okay, you have said your masses and you have done your work, but it is not direct one. So you will use the word implicit, right? Which is the meaning of tacit, which is an adjective. So synonyms would be understood, implied. Then what would be the opposite? Explicit, which is direct, right? Which is observable and direct one. Okay, now let's form an example. Your silence may be taken to mean tacit agreement. What does it mean? It means that your silence may be taken to mean an implicit and indirect agreement. Okay, or implied agreement. I think it's clear. Now moving toward the next word, it is erect, which is a verb which means build. Okay, then what would be the synonyms of erect? It would be construct and put up. See, this is the positive word which is build up, construct, put up. So what would be the opposite? It would be demolish. Basically used for a building thing. Okay, now let's form an example. The guest house was erected in the 18th century. You can also use this in just using demolish. The guest house was demolished in the 17 or 18, whatever, just an example. Okay, now the next word is peril, which is a noun which means danger. Okay, which means danger. Synonyms would be jeopardy or risk, right? Which means, see friends, jeopardy is a danger of loss, danger of loss. Okay, jeopardy means danger of loss. So what would be the opposite? It would be safety. Okay, now let's form an example. The hour of the peril for the Latin kingdom had now at last struck, means at last strike they are. Okay, now let's see the next word is ms. Ms is a verb which means gather. Okay, which means gather. Now see the synonyms: collect, assemble. Very similar to gather, right? So what would be the opposite? It is dissipate. See, dissipate means disappear, which is not in a collection, right? Disappear. Okay, now let's form an example. He amassed a fortune estimated at close to £1 million. Okay, now moving toward the next word, it is brink. Brink is a noun which means edge, which means corner, right? Which means edge. Synonyms would be verse or margin. Okay, verse or margin. See friend, what does verse means? It is border. This is the border. We can also say verse, right? Then margin, simple one. So what would be the opposite? Middle. Okay, middle one would be the opposite. Now let's form an example. This woman could bring me to the brink of insanity. See friend, what does insanity means? It means mentally ill. Means this woman could bring me to the brink, to the corner of insanity. Right. Then moving toward the next word, it is spur. Spur is a noun which means stimulus. Okay, which means stimulus. Now see the synonyms. It is incentive, encouragement. Okay, incentives are the gift which we get when we do work. Okay, then antonyms are disincentive. I said about root word di. Okay, incentives means which is not incentive, right? It is the opposite of incentive. So let's form an example. Wars act as a spur to a practical invention. Means war act as a stimulus to the practical area which we have learned, right? So this was all about the word which we learned. The word are spur, brink, amiss, peril, erect, tacit, benevolent, slacken, bleak and incursion, right? So this is the all for today. Now it's the quiz time. You have to find a similar meaning. Okay, the first question is incursion. Options are resistance, repulsion, retreat, attack. See friend, I told you about incursion. Okay, the correct answer will be attack, assault and raid on, I told you. So correct answer will be attack. The next one is bleak. Options are warm, burden, desert, root. So correct answer will be desert, right? Then next one is slacken. Slacken means options are decrease, quicken, speed up, tighten. So correct answer will be decrease. Next one is benevolent. Options are tight-fisted, ungenerous, kind or stingy. So correct answer will be kind-hearted. Okay. Then next one is tacit. Options are open, implied, explicit, stated. So correct answer will be implied. If there would be no implied option, so implicit would be the correct answer. Okay, but explicit is not the correct answer, right? Then after it, erect. Options are flaccid, bland, put together, demolish. So correct answer will be put together, and demolish is the opposite word, right? Now the next one is peril. Options are personal, security, safety, hazard. It means danger. So correct answer would be hazard, right? Next one is amass. Options are disperse, accumulate, divide, partial. So correct answer will be accumulate, collect, right? Now next one is brink. Option are close, place, rim, middle. I told you brink means border. Okay, corner one. So correct answer is rim. Right. Then next one is spur. Options are encouraging, disincentives, discouraging and real. So correct answer of spur is incentive, encouraging. So correct answer will be, according to the option, will be encouraging. Okay. Then these are the question for you. We will solve them tomorrow. Thank you. Keep learning. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel. In case you don't know that we have maths live classes at 6 p.m. and SSB at 8 p.m. Just do visit them. Okay. Keep learning. Be safe.